welcome to Electromechanical. My name is Ashley and I'll be your tour guide. Electromechanical involves a lot of different pieces and parts, including electronics, hydraulics, and pneumatics. Today we'll be looking at what you'll do as a first level, house wiring. Over here we have Brody's project. He currently has all of the lights set to each of the switches. As you can see, they work independently of each other, and this is what will be commonly used for your house. Let's go over and see what our level 2s are up to. Lucas over here is working on ladder logic. Ladder logic can be used from anything from heavy machineries like turbines to something simple like road signs. Here he has an on delay and off delay setup, which controls the time it takes to turn on and off this light. This will be what you usually see in road signs. Over here, we'll have our third levels. Here we have McKenna. She'll be explaining her motor control setup for us. Let us see. As you can see, motor controls involves a lot of different pieces and parts, including what you saw with house wiring and what you saw with ladder logic, along with a lot of other different parts that are hard to explain in a timely manner.
So I'm turning the project on. The forward will make the motor spin in one direction after a second. Then I will stop it, and we'll let it slow down so we don't break any of the parts in the motor. And then we will press the reverse button to see it go in the opposite direction after a second. That's how this project works.
Thank you, McKenna. As you can see, this project will commonly be used for conveyor belt systems in large industrial warehouses. Now let's move over to see what our fourth levels are doing. Our fourth levels work with a lot of different things, from hydraulics and pneumatics to robotics and electronics. Today we'll be taking a look over here at Elias, who is currently on electronics. Elias here is working on diodes and resistors, which are commonly used in a lot of small machinery, such as a game controller or maybe your Xbox. Over here we have Aaliyah and Ozzy, who are working on PLCs, which is what are used to control those big turbines and machineries we often see. Now finally, we have the last leg of our journey, robotics. This is the fun stuff over here, people. As you can see, we have our lovely instructor and 2 students currently working on robotics. Now these robots are commonly used for precise movement in the construction of machinery. And now, a word from our instructor.
Hi, my name is Mr. C, and as you can see, we do various work here in our shop. We teach students anything from basic electricity all the way up into hydraulics, pneumatics, which is our mechanical side of it, as well as our robotics, which actually encompasses everything from basic electricity to electronics to the mechanical side. I hope you enjoyed your tour today, and hope to see you in the future.